Want to know how to remove accounts from Messenger? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Messenger application, and once you have done that, you should be provided with the chat interface. So once you are there, on the bottom right side, you should be seeing something known as the menu. So just select it. It should be on the bottom right side. So once you have selected menu, on top you should be seeing settings. So just simply select settings as well. So now once you have selected settings, here under accounts you should be seeing your logged in profiles, and here you should be seeing managed accounts as well. So just simply select manage accounts. Now in order to remove your account, what you need to do is you just need to drag your profile, just hold on to it and drag it to the left side right here, and you should see something like this right here. So instead of this keyboard, if you have any other account, you should be seeing the trash scan button. Just simply select it and just trash it, and that's it. This is how you remove an account in Messenger. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.